Okay, we're going to look at a specific problem now. We're asked the question, find where the lines y equals 2x squared plus 5x minus 8 and y equals 2x plus 4 intersect. Hence determine where the parabola is less than the line. Okay, so first of all, in order to find the intersection between any two lines, you must use either simultaneous equations or a form of that. Okay, so in this case we've got a y equals for both of them, so we can set them both equal to one another. So I'm going to write 2x squared plus 5x minus 8, okay, is equal to 2x plus 4. Why does this work? Well, I want to know when the two lines are the same, okay, and hence where they intersect. So I can rearrange this, so I can take 2x from both sides and take 4 from both sides, which leaves me 2x squared plus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now this one doesn't factorise easily, so I'm going to use the quadratic formula, and if I do so I find that x is equal to minus 3/4 plus or minus 1/4 of root 105. Okay. Now that gives me the two x values. I need to find the coordinates where the lines intersect, so I must then substitute this, both of these, into one of my two equations. Now the straight line y equals 2x plus 4, that will be the easiest one to do that, and you should be able to find that the two coordinates are minus 3/4 plus 1/4 root 105. That's the x coordinate of 1, and the y coordinate of this one is 5/2 plus 1/2 root 105. And the other coordinate is very similar. Okay, I'm just swapping the plus signs for negative signs. Okay, so that is relatively straightforward. Okay, it certainly doesn't look it, but the process, the method, is relatively simple. Now we need to answer this question: determine where the parabola is less than the line, or rather where the parabola is below the line. So here's a graph. I am now going to draw these two lines, or rather sketch them. So that'll do for my parabola. This can be my straight line. Okay, so now I can go, well, I've found the two intersection points. Okay. Ooh. That wasn't going too well. That's not a very straight line. And that's a mistaken line, so let's undo that bit. Okay, back to the task at hand. Okay, so this point is minus 3/4 plus 1/4 root 105. Okay, because that's the larger of the two. And this one is the smaller of the two, minus 3/4 take away 1/4 root 105. Okay, so I want to know, when is the parabola less than the straight line? When is the parabola below the straight line? That is the question I'm asking. And the parabola is below the straight line here. Okay? Once I go beyond that line, the parabola is above the straight line. Okay? So my actual values, my x values, are here. In that region. Okay? So I can write that x is somewhere, well, can be between, rather, minus 3/4 take away the square root of 105, and minus 3/4 plus 1/4 of the square root of 105. Notice how I can write it as one inequality because there is one region. Okay? And that solves the problem.